Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Darun M. I'm studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, section Ferrari, subject Computer Aided Engineering Drawing. Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about CAD problem. Rectangular lamella of 35 into 20 mm side rests on VP with one of its shorter edge in such a way that it is tilted about its resting edge till it appears as a square in front view. The edge on which it is resting inclined to HP at 30 degree. Draw its projection and also determine the inclination of lamina with HP. Go to line command and draw XY line and go to annotation and mark XY and then go to annotation, mark upper position as VP and lower position as HP. Then go to rectangular command, then give width 35 mm and height is equals to 20 mm and angle is equals to 0 degree. Then draw a rectangular wherever we want to. Then make rectangle as visible line. Then draw a projection line towards VP. Then make make it visible line as normal line. And draw a projection towards VP. Then make it visible line as normal line. And then go to annotation, mark rectangle A, B, C and D. Then go to A dash is visible and D dash is not visible and B dash is visible and C dash is not visible, and then make A dash, D dash and B dash, C dash as a visible line. And then go to small dimension and measure the dimension of rectangle width and height. Then go to arrow end and make arrow head towards VP. Then take a rectangle of 20 mm width and 20 mm height and angle is equals to 0 degree wherever we want to keep the square. Then make it visible and draw a projection towards VP and make it normal line. Then go to line command and draw its projection towards VP with normal line, and then copy the element A dash and D dash and B dash and C dash, and go to rotate option, go to move option and then click on A dash, B dash and C dash, D dash and copy the element. Then go to rotate option, then fix the point on A dash and D dash and then another point on B dash and C dash. Then rotate the A dash and D dash and B dash and C dash to the line and go to the smart go to the angle between, then measure the angle between A dash and B dash and the line. Then draw a line towards up and mark its length up to 80 and the angle is 30 degree, and then go to the square and copy the square and give small dimension and then go to the square. Then copy the square and move, move the square towards line. While moving, the copy option should be bold, and then go to rotate option, then click on fixed point and click on another point, then rotate the square and then go to projection, go to alignment in, then make a, mark it as A, B and C and D, then mark a square as A, B, C, D, then go to alignment indicator, then draw projection towards, then go to alignment indicator, then respective command line, then draw a projection from A, B to B dash, then A to A dash, then C to C dash, then A to A dash, then D to D dash, then D to D dash, then mark the points with visible line, then mark, then join the points A to B, and then B to C, then B to D, and D to A. Then go to annotation, mark, then go to arrow end. We want to put arrow ends, then go to annotation, then go to annotation, make lamina on VP, then lamina on lamina inclined to VP and edge inclined to VP, HP, edge inclined to HP. Then go to annotation and mark rectangle as A dash and B dash and C dash and D dash, A dash and B dash and C dash. That's all. Next, go to next problem. A pentagonal lamina of which 25 mm is placed on HP with one of its corner such that the plane surface makes an angle of 30 degree with HP. The perpendicular bisector while is passing through the resting corner. It appears at VP at 45 degree. Draw its projection. Draw XY line and go to annotation, make XY and upper position as VP and lower position as VP, and then take 25 mm line and 25 mm. Then take a pentagonal lamina of H is 25 mm is placed on HP. Take a pentagonal and draw 25 mm line, and then go to respective command line, then draw 25 mm and make a pentagonal and projects the line towards the HP, and don't forget to mark arrow ends. Then A dash is visible and B dash is visible and E dash is not visible and C dash is visible, D dash is visible. Then A dash and B dash and E dash and C dash line should be visible line. Then go to projection line. Then projection line must be, and then copy the element A dash, B dash, E dash and C dash, D dash and place it here 30 degree, and then draw projection towards A dash to A and B dash to B and C dash to C, then D dash to D. Then join all the points A to B, B to C and C to D and D to E. Then take resting corner, it appears to VP at 45 degree. Then take 45 degree and place pentagon on the line 45 degree. Then draw its projection towards upwards and draw projection A to A dash and B to B dash and C to C dash and D to D dash and E to E dash. Then join all the points A dash and B dash and C dash and D dash. Then we will get the top view. Thank you.